6 members of the JTF went on patrol last night at 6:05 a.m. Only 2 came back. Now, they were transporting supplies into Hell's Kitchen. Those supplies only saved lives,
And you think I had something to do with this?
Well, I know you did. Isaac put you in the exact same location as the JTF convoy, exact same time as the ambush. Come on. We know how this works.
You know every agent's location at any given time?
You know that we don't have the judicial system anymore, so putting you on trial is kind of pointless. So what I need you to do, I think is best for everyone, is that you drop your rogue protocol, tell us where Aaron Keener is. What, you think something's funny?
Yeah, it is funny. You want me to give up what I believe is right because you want to take down the one person actually doing anything in this city.
What, you think what we're doing is not effective?
I think you're crazy if you believe what you're doing here is working. Look outside. Nothing's changed. And it's only getting worse as the days go by. Nothing we're doing is working.
I disagree. What we're doing is needed.
No. It's what the people in power need, not what the people in the city need.
Why did you ambush the JTF convoy? Why did you steal those supplies?
Do you think the people of Hell's Kitchen are the only ones that need help?
Well, of course not.
There are survivors left in the Dark Zone. The Division made sure of that. Don't you think they deserve a chance to enjoy what little life they have left?
My job. Our job. It's not the survivors that are left in those walls. It's to save what remains out there.
Oh, you see, that's your problem right there. You don't get to pick and choose who lives and dies. Our whole purpose is to help people. You want to save what remains, but what's left is what you decide is left.
Listen, I'm not gonna stand here and debate politics about what we do. Now, you knew about this job when you were recruited, how bad it could get. What we have now is a worst case scenario. Last thing we need is for us to be working against each other.
We have been working against each other since day one. Do you think the Division gives a damn about the boots on the ground? We are a means to an end in an absolutely fucked up situation. If we make it out of this alive. Without a normal world to go back to, that power is limitless. And it's dangerous.
It's not that. That's Keener talking.
Maybe. But right now he's the only one willing to make the changes we need.
Well, what? Murdering people?
By liberating them.